Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how you can change your password on Brawl Stars. Apparently you can't change your password here since Supercell ID doesn't support that anymore. But you can change your email and add more security layers on your account. So first you want to click on this on your profile on the top left corner. And then here you want to click on this thing with the ID on it, and then you want to click on the settings icon, and after clicking on it you will see this. You will have your change email and account protection. So here, this is where you can change your email and add like your two-factor authentication. Just click on change email and then just click OK, and they will apparently email you for your verification to change your email. And then on the account protection, you will just use your phone number with OTPs sending you every time you log in. So those are the ways you can add more protection or add security on your Supercell ID on Brawl Stars.